Right, it says right here we got a 1933. It says Ford Highboy, but none of that is accurate. This is a Ford Model B. It is a 3-window coupe, and it's been chopped. They chopped the roof, chopped the door. What it has here on the front, this is a nose that they put on here, but this is a Packard grill. That grill there is a Packard. I'm assuming this is probably a kit car. Looking at the suspension, so it looks like tubular steel. So this looks like a kit car to me. And what's up with the guys in popping the hood, man? Come on. Looks like it's just like a Ford valve cover in there, but I can't see that well in there. So I don't know. It's a relatively new engine. I was gonna say up in here, right? C6 351 Cleveland. That do like a Ford valve cover. Tail lights 39 Chevrolet. Interior is a 40 Deluxe. 44 Deluxe. Of course, Okay. That nose. See, that nose is a 42 Packard grill. I was right there. Original 5-window rumble seat. Well, right now it's a 3-window, right? Because it's a 2-door. Suicide doors. All right, let's just take a step back and look at this thing here. I can't see the inside from this side, but oh, jeez. All right, so right, real sweet, real sweet. Got a rumble seat in the back here, which I don't like rumble seats because, just honestly, how are you supposed to get in here? How are you supposed to get in? You don't have your fenders on here. Without the fenders, there's no way to get into the rumble seat. Paint is superb, though. You know, paint is, the leather, and this leather stitch is awesome. Of course, if you can tell me how you're supposed to get in here, then I'm telling you, it'd be great. You don't have fender flares for the guy to step on, right? Remember from the DeSoto video, you step on the fender here, then you step on the step here, and you step on another step here, then you climb into the seat. Well, if there's no fender flare, how do you climb into the rumble seat? Okay. Oh, it's alright. Everybody clap your hands. All right, it's got a crank. It has 2 cranks on that rear window. That center crank seems to be to lower that rear window. And that crank right there must be a pop for this rumble seat. So, such an attractive car, man. Sure. I gotta find something flying. Don't you know it's a 1933 Ford Highboy, which is, I don't care what you call it. This is the Chop Model B, 351 Cleveland. It's a kit car to me with a Packard nose on it. Say it's alright.